Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to remove Cameo Selfie from your Snapchat application. Now make sure that you're well connected with the internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, you have to open Snapchat application. And here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. On this particular page, what you have to do is move towards your upper left corner, and right on top there you can see a user ID. Just tap on it. Now on the other page, you will land inside the info about the application. So on the same page, move towards your upper right corner, and right in the corner there you can see a gear icon. Just tap on it. So on the other page, you will land inside settings page. Now under settings you can see account, and on the second last option there you can see cameos. Just tap on it. As soon as you tap on cameos, on the other page you will land inside the info. Now all you have to do is just scroll down. So right in the bottom there you can see clear my cameo selfie. Just tap on it, and once again there is another pop-up window. So from here what you have to do is read the following statement carefully, only then tap on clear. Now here, as you can see, that your cameo selfie has been cleared, which means that it has been deleted or it has been removed. So this is how you can remove your cameo selfie on Snapchat application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.